Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you enable auto blocker on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can follow this step easily, turn on auto blocker your phone. Now let's get started. First, open the settings page on your phone. Once you're in the settings, scroll down a little, look for the security and privacy option, tap on it. After that, scroll down again, find the auto blocker option, click on them. Right now this option is turned off by default. To turn it off, simply hit the main toggle switch at the top to turn it on. Once this option is enabled, you can scroll down to the bottom. Here you can find the turn on automatically. Turn on auto blocker automatically 30 minutes after it's turned off. You can also turn it on if you like. And that's it, how you can turn on auto blocker on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If this video helped you, please subscribing my channel and liking this video.